Hello and welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making homemade spaghetti and meat sauce. Let's get cooking. In a pan, start by adding 2 pounds of hamburger, diced onions, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and a half teaspoon of salt. Then, mix everything together and cook until the hamburger is browned. After that, drain any excess grease. Next, add 12 ounces of tomato paste and stir until well combined. Once everything is mixed, set the meat mixture aside. In a pot, mix together 28 ounces of stewed tomatoes, 28 ounces of tomato puree, diced green pepper, diced zucchini, and sliced and whole mushrooms. Then add 1 teaspoon of pepper, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of basil, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. Now give it a thorough mix. Next, add the meat mixture to the pot. Then add a half cup of Parmesan cheese. Now, stir it together, cover, and let it cook on medium heat for about 30 minutes. Finally, uncover and let it simmer on low heat for about 2 hours. There you have it, a delicious homemade spaghetti and meat sauce that's sure to please everyone. It's rich, savory, and perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for cooking along with me, and I'll see you next time.